Chapter 8 Motion. So many numericals I taught you. I hope you people are writing in your class copy properly. Practice very well. Page number 119, that is your exercise. Question number 1 already done. Question number 2 now. It is given that question number 2, Joseph jogs from one end A to the other end B, say A to B, covering 300 meter. Then from B point coming back up to C, 100 meter. Total timing 2 minutes 30 seconds. And from here to there 2 minutes 30 seconds, and while returning back 100 meter is taking 1 minute. Then what are the Joseph's average speed and velocity in jogging from A to B and then A to C? Now first, question number A, distance covered by Joseph from A to B will be 300 meter. Displacement from A to B also 300 meter. Time taken 2 minutes 30 seconds. Minute, change it into second, 1 minute 60 seconds. So 2 into 60 plus 30 is coming out 150 second. So speed of Joseph from A to B will be distance by time. After cancellation, it is 2 meters second to the power minus 2. And velocity, displacement by time. After cancellation, same result is coming. But for question number B, I have to calculate distance from A to C. Even displacement also from A to C. For that, since Joseph turns around and jogs 100 meter back to the point C in 1 minute, that is 60 seconds, then distance covered by Joseph from A to C will be 300 plus 100, that is 400 meter. And displacement of Joseph from A to C will be 300 minus 100, that is 200 meter, because he is coming back 100 meter. And you know displacement is the shortest distance between initial and final. Now time taken 150 total earlier, plus 1 minute extra, that is 60 seconds, 210 seconds. Then speed of Joseph from A to C, divide distance by time, result is this one. And velocity will be displacement by time. Displacement will be 200 divided by time, displacement by time, that is, which is equal to 200 meter divided by timing is 210 seconds. 1 0 cut, remaining divide, this will be your answer. Now question number 3. Abdul, while driving to school, computes the average speed for his trip 20 km per hour. So this is the home, that is the school. Going time is going 20 km per hour, and coming back, while coming back, speed increases 30 km hour to the power minus 1. Asking question, what is the average speed for the Abdul's trip? Let A be the initial point from where Abdul have started his trip to the school B. Let the distance from A to B be S. Let T1 be the time taken to reach from A to B, and T2 will be the time taken to reach from B to A. Now speed is equal to distance by time. So first speed is given 20 km hour to the power minus 1 equal to distance S time T1. From here you get T1. T1 is equal to S by 20. Now second case, 30 is the speed, distance by time S by T2. So T2 is S by 30. Then average speed will be going and coming, total distance 2S divided by total time T1 plus T2. T1, T2, both the values should be changed. LCM 60. Adjustment is coming 3S plus 2S, which is 5S. 60 is going up. S cancelled, number cancelled. This is the average speed, 24 km hour to the power minus 1. Now question number 4. A motorboat starting from rest on a lake, acceleration in a straight line at a constant rate this much. That is your acceleration. And starting from rest, so EU will be 0. Timing is given 8 seconds, and distance will be how much? So EU is 0, acceleration given, timing 8 seconds, distance how much? Second equation of motion to be applied. S is equal to U2 plus half AT square. Values should be replaced properly. After cancellation, answer is 96 meter. So distance 96. Now question number 7. A ball is gently dropped from a height of 20 meter. This height you take as a distance. S is equal S for distance. So S is 20 meter. And since ball is going to drop, so starting velocity, that is initial velocity, U is 0, and increases uniformly, velocity increases at the rate of this, that is your acceleration. Asking question, final velocity V how much and timing how much? First we should use third equation of motion, V square equals to U square plus 2AS. V square equals to U is 0 and 2AS, put it properly. This multiplication will give you 400, 0 should be removed. V is equal to square root of this, which is coming out 20 meters second to the power minus 1. Velocity done. Now for finding the timing, we'll use first equation of motion, v equals to u plus at. v, u, a should be replaced, 0 should be removed, number bring this side. After cancellation, timing is 2 seconds. So it will strike the ground with a velocity of this much, and it will take 2 seconds to strike the ground. Question number 9. One example they're telling us, from your own experience in which the velocity of an object is 0 for an instant of time, but its acceleration is not 0. When a ball, that's my example which I am giving you, when a ball is thrown up at maximum, then its velocity is 0, because at the highest point velocity should be 0. After that the ball is going to come back. So acceleration is not 0 but velocity is 0. This example you can write for question number 9. With this I am going to conclude today.